Welcome everyone. Today we will embark on an incredible journey through the process of mulberry farming, from planting and caring for these beautiful trees to harvesting the fruits and turning them into various products. Whether you're curious about the agricultural process or simply fascinated by how mulberries reach our tables, this documentary will guide you step by step. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a deep dive into the world of mulberry cultivation. The journey of growing mulberries begins with planting the trees. Mulberry trees thrive in temperate regions, and the soil must be fertile and well drained to ensure the plants can absorb nutrients efficiently while avoiding waterlogging. Farmers usually plant mulberries in early spring or late fall when the weather is mild, allowing the roots to establish before the harsh summer or winter months arrive. Mulberries are propagated primarily through two methods: seed sowing or cutting propagation. Growing mulberries from seeds is suitable for those who wish to grow them at home on a small scale. The seeds are harvested from ripe fruits, then cleaned and prepared before sowing. This process is time-consuming as seedlings grow slowly and may not retain the favorable traits of the parent plant. However, seeds can germinate into a variety of different plants, promoting biodiversity. Once the seeds sprout and the young plants reach an appropriate height, they can be transplanted to their permanent growing sites. Cutting propagation is a more efficient method for commercial production. Farmers select healthy branches from a parent tree for cuttings, which are then treated with rooting hormones before being planted in the soil. This method ensures that the new trees retain the desirable traits of the parent plant. Mulberry trees grown from cuttings grow quickly and can begin producing fruit within just 1 to 2 years. Due to its consistency and rapid growth, cutting propagation is favored in large-scale production, ensuring high economic efficiency. Once planted, mulberry trees require regular care to ensure healthy growth. While mulberry trees are generally easy to care for, like all crops, they require proper attention. Watering is crucial, especially in the early stages. Farmers usually keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Drip irrigation systems are often used in large-scale mulberry farms, delivering continuous water directly to the roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal problems caused by excessive moisture on the leaves. Pruning is also necessary to maintain the health of mulberry trees. Regular pruning helps shape the tree, improve air circulation, and remove dead or diseased branches. growth of new ones which will bear more fruit. In addition to pruning, farmers must carefully monitor the trees to fertilize and apply pesticides appropriately. This ensures the mulberry trees grow well, stay healthy, and yield a high fruit output. Balancing fertilization, pest control, and pruning is key to ensuring that mulberry trees grow sustainably and healthily. After months of careful tending, the mulberry trees finally bear fruit. Mulberries typically ripen in late spring or early summer, depending on the variety and climate. The mulberries, ranging from white to deep purple, are ready to be harvested when they become plump, juicy, and slightly soft to the touch. Harvesting mulberries requires meticulous care and a gentle touch. Mulberries are very soft and easily bruised, so harvesters must be cautious when picking each fruit. Farmers typically use their hands to carefully remove the ripe berries from the branches, ensuring that the rest of the tree remains unharmed. Additionally, many farmers employ a traditional method of lightly shaking the branches over a cloth or tarp, allowing the ripe berries to naturally fall, while the unripe ones remain on the tree to continue absorbing nutrients and developing. This method not only protects the tree, but also optimizes the harvesting process, ensuring the mulberries are picked at their peak ripeness. After harvesting, mulberries must be processed quickly. These fruits are highly perishable and can easily spoil within just a few days if not kept refrigerated. Farmers have two main options. They can either sell the fresh mulberries directly to the market or begin the process of transforming them into a variety of other products. It is in this processing stage that the full versatility of mulberries becomes evident. Fresh mulberries are delightful as a snack, but they can also be turned into an assortment of products, including jams, wines, and dried fruit. Jam is one of the most popular products made from mulberries. After being washed thoroughly, the mulberries are placed in a pot and simmer with sugar over low heat to gradually soften the fruit and create a smooth. During cooking, it is essential to stir frequently to prevent burning and ensure the sugar completely dissolves. Once the mixture reaches the desired consistency, the jam is allowed to cool and then sealed in jars for preservation. Mulberry jam not only has a delicious taste, but also retains the valuable nutrients from the fruit, making it a perfect breakfast choice when paired with bread or other pastries. And that concludes our journey, exploring the entire process from planting, nurturing, and harvesting to processing mulberries. We hope this video has provided provided you with interesting insights and a deeper understanding of this wonderful agricultural process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Raspberry farm in the USA. Dive into the fascinating world of mass-produced raspberries, where cutting-edge technology meets unwavering dedication. Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes in the industrial-scale raspberry farming industry? Raspberries are a beloved favorite among Americans, especially in cakes and jams. Raspberries were harvested in the USA just last year. The process begins in early spring when the soil is carefully prepared to provide the optimal growing conditions. Raspberry canes are then planted, typically spaced about 2-3 feet apart to allow for proper growth and airflow. Raspberries begin to ripen, turning a vibrant red when they are ready for harvest. The process is a marvel of modern machinery and agricultural innovation. Raspberry plants, which are essentially shrubs that can reach heights of up to 5 feet, are harvested using specialized machines. Efficiently transports the berries for further processing within the harvester. Raspberries are cultivated on a large scale, and while specialized machinery eases the workload, human expertise remains indispensable. Process, and this is merely the beginning of the journey. Upon arrival at the factory, workers transport berry boxes from the vehicles to storage areas using carriages or carts. In these areas, berries are transferred into large containers to maintain freshness and quality, while empty boxes are automatically collected and returned by machines for reuse. Forklifts expedite this process by carrying multiple raspberry boxes at once. Once inside the factory, raspberries are processed. The boxes are emptied on